The river of my childhood. A sour taste, but very pleasant, very delicate. That's what I really love. Nice ride. The feel from the tripod doesn't work. Very strong wind here. Alright. Okay, so I will from the hand. Yes, I renamed the channel from the captivated by outdoor to captivated by nature, because when you leave the home and go to a store, you are also outdoor. But no, I am captivated exactly by nature, by this beauty, by this magic, Okay, and the nature is spectacular these days. Just look at that. Look at that. Everything is getting green. Everything is blooming. The weather is just beautiful, Well, we are taking some very short cycle ride, cycle trip. I am rather late already. It's already afternoon. But anyway, we are going, we are enjoying this beauty of the nature, this magic of the nature, and now I am sharing it with you. I also took a small rod with me just for fun, not for fishing, but just for fun. Now we are heading to the river over there. I don't know about fish, just for having fun. And after that we'll go to my favorite camping spot. We'll make a campfire there and so cook something on a campfire, I suppose. Okay, if it will be not so long, hopefully I'll keep timing. So let's go, guys. The wind is very strong. Now you hear a very strong noise from the wind. It's blowing to my face, and I am fighting the wind while riding. We are already at the river, very near. So we are at the river already. Very nice. This is very small, even tiny river, but I love it. Actually, this is the river of my childhood. I've been going here since I was a very little kid, about 4 or 5 years old. Okay, and I still love it. When I come here, I always feel very happy. Wonderful. The water is cold, it's still spring, April. Perfect. So guys, we will not fish too much because filming took a lot of time and the fishing is not the purpose for our trip today actually. It's just for little fun. Okay, I also want to make campfire, enjoy campfire, to cook something on campfire and so on. So just let's go. All my tackles are in this small bag. Okay, all gear, fishing gear, minimal set. There we go. So I have assembled the rod. Let's check out if any pike here. There is pike here in this river. I know I even hooked one day a couple of years ago, but I missed it. But anyway, that was pike up to 1 kilo, something like that. Okay, not so big. But there is pike here in this river. But this is very big luck to catch pike here. Okay, but let's try anyway. Check it out. And let's try 2-3 shots. If nobody bites, we'll change lure for perch. Now I use this lure. Okay, this one. Nobody here. Let's check out some other spots. As always. Oh, shit. Shit. That's it. I've lost it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That sucks. Let's try this tackle. Little weight, leader line, small lure. But this is not perch. This is stick. Risky short. There are a lot of branches. Oh, some ducks. Wild ducks over there. The perch should bite when I make a pause. Nobody bites. Well, I didn't succeed here. I lost one lorry. Okay, so let's change location. Okay, the evening is coming. It's coming soon. In fact, it's already evening, and we have a lot of things to do today beyond fishing. So we should move. Let's go. Well, I didn't succeed also here in this location, although it looks perspective and fish has started playing. I see it. Okay, I see circles on the water surface. Okay, it's playing, it's active, and it's good time for fishing now. But fishing is not our purpose actually today. It's just for little fun, and I don't consider this day as opening fishing season. Opening fishing season is when you catch something. All right. Today I catch nothing, but I am not disappointed at all. Nothing actually. I'm very happy. I'm here to enjoy this nature, the beauty of this nature. Okay. I love all four seasons: summer, autumn, winter, spring. But spring is always something. Spring is magic, and today I'm here to enjoy this magic, to feel this magic. Well, anyway, let's make our fishing over. Actually, I've already done. I packed it. Okay, all gear, all tackles, etc. I'm already very hungry, and let's go to main site, camping site, and we'll make a campfire there, cook something. I really need to eat. Guys, I really need to eat something. I'm hungry. Let's go. Let me show you some grass. This is very good one. I don't know its English name. I'll write it here on the screen. Yeah, that's it. Okay. It has a sour taste, but very pleasant, very delicate. It has a lot of vitamin C and removes thirst very well. So if you want drink, so just eat a couple of leaves of this grass. Okay, and that's cool, really. I eat it every spring. I am looking for it, picking it, and I also should collect some this grass for making salad at home. Very good one. Great. Well, it's wet in my main spot. After the melted snow, you can see there is a swarm. Alright, the level is slightly lower over there where is my spot. Okay, and no problem, I have found another spot, very cozy one. Okay, there are some dead branches. We can collect firewood for our small fire. I don't need to make a big fire, some small fire will be enough for me to fry sausages. Okay, it's rather cozy here. Let's stay here. Dry grass for kindling, very good. Started fire with one match. Coffee must go on, as usually. Coffee is already with sugar. I just put in the cold water, let it boil with the coffee. Sausages come. Oh, so good. You know, I don't want to talk, actually. It's meditation. Let me keep silence and just watch with me this magic fire. So our fire is finishing little by little, and that's enough. We cooked everything. We have sausages. Smells delicious. We have some bread. We have slancher. We have ketchup. We have coffee. We have everything. Sausages fried on a campfire with slancher served. All luxury fashionable restaurants suck in comparison with that. I tell you really. Coffee time. Delicious. Coffee made on a campfire. Very smoky. That's what I really love. Enjoy the sunset, beautiful sunset. It's magic here, real magic. I'm really captivated. What to say? Really captivated. Well, folks, that was really wonderful day. You even don't know how happy I am now. I'm really happy. So, I'm finishing my trip, going home, back. See you somewhere else in some more adventure. Now, bye and cheers.